I deserve to feel safe. I deserve to feel healthy. And I want to be able to thrive. Human slavery is not just a history lesson. It's my life.
Human trafficking is the business of stealing people's freedoms for profit.
Right now, tens of millions of people are forced against their will into service, work, or prostitution.
They are preyed upon and trapped through force, psychological abuse, or manipulation.
More people than the entire population of Canada are currently enslaved. 70% of them are women and children. These numbers increase every day.
Together, we can end these shameful industries of human exploitation and victimization.
HOPE is our action plan to end modern slavery.
We fight human trafficking and victimization from all angles because everyone deserves the freedom to hope.
Advocates of hope, people just like you, are taking action in 3 key ways.
Taking personal responsibility to prevent human trafficking in our local communities with crucial education programs for all ages and protection of the most vulnerable among us.
Donating to the task forces, law enforcement and experts who are professionally trained to perform responsible rescue operations in your area.
And funding the most trusted programs, therapies, and support structures that help to restore dignity for those who have been freed. Providing opportunities for them to thrive, not just survive, is at the heart of our freedom to hope.
Will you join our fight to restore everyone's right to freedom and hope?
We collaborate with trusted partners to tackle the many complexities of this issue, connecting you to the best and most effective programs to educate, donate, advocate, and fundraise.
100% of what you contribute goes directly to these programs, fueling the fight to end modern slavery. Together,
Together,
we can keep our communities safe and free from exploitation.